Welcome to CyberLogic. Today our topic, how hackers encrypt files using Kali Linux. Open your terminal. Write command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Join our Discord channel for commands. Simple copy and paste commands in your terminal. I create file for testing, touch commands for making file. File making successfully. Ccrypt tool for files encrypt and decrypt. I am using this command for encrypt my file. Enter your secret key it's using for decrypt file. File successfully encrypted. It's successfully decrypted. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.